first time in my life, which is kind of crazy because I grew up most of my life in Maryland, the DMV area. New York is so close, but better late than never. I'm here for 3 days or 3 nights and I'm visiting with my dad. For those of you who don't know, my birthday is coming up. It's March 19th. My dad's birthday is 2 days before mine, March 17th. So sometimes we do a little joint celebration. And this year he was like, hey, wanna come to New York? Yes. Yes, I do want to come to New York. Wait, this is the best part, watch. I probably look goofy in this. Okay, let's go. Good morning. We're going to Central Park. It's a little rainy, so make sure to bring the umbrella. We're gonna hit Central Park before the rain really comes in, and then we're gonna retreat inside for brunch, or at least that's the plan. It's finally clearing up a little. We have a Broadway show tonight. I think I'm not allowed to film in there. They said something about like you even have to cover your phone camera. I won't be taking you along to that. But first we're getting dinner, so let's go.
Which she's done several times.
Okay, first New York bagel. I can't tell a difference. Everyone's like it's because the water is different here, but it's not the same as like every bagel, but there's like some bagel bakeries that I go to in LA that it tastes the same. Wait, that's so pretty. What's the scent?
I don't know how to pronounce this. I like this, but not me.
Oh yeah, it's not me either. Your coffee shop. I'm dropping her off. She has freelance work to do.
It never stops.
Not bad, not bad. Annika doesn't think New York is bad.
Actually, no. Okay. I've only been here for like a few days, so I enjoy it for what it is. I don't know if I would live here though, because living and visiting are completely different. Take it with a spoonful of salt.
Yeah.
That's for your next trip. We're exploring.
When am I coming back?
Thank you.
One Earl Grey and one cinnamon bun. This is so genius.
I didn't know it's locked when we opened. Look how pretty they are. They are.
Oh, they smell good.
Thank you. So how about we split the salmon one?
All right.
Sorry, I'm looking right into direct sunlight, but I don't know, is this gonna be too dark? I don't think this is any better. I think it's worse, but we have limited options in here. Ever since I started driving on my own, I cannot be a passenger without getting extremely car sick. Growing up, when I would read anything or if I would look at a phone screen, I would instantly get sick. But once I became accustomed to driving, the sickness I feel as a passenger has been amplified so much. I don't know what to do, but usually it doesn't bother me because I'm driving everywhere in LA. I tried to take a nap when I got here, but my stomach was in shambles. I have a little birthday dinner tonight. I don't think I can actually eat because my stomach's kind of messed up, but we're going for the vibes, I guess.
Yo, I'm 25 now.
While I was laying here trying to will away my sickness, I was just thinking a lot, reflecting a lot about becoming 25. And it's funny because majority of my audience is actually older than me. So whenever I talk about things like getting older or feeling more of an adult, I'm like, all of y'all must be cringing so hard. Y'all already lived through this, but maybe seeing another person go through their quarter life crisis from a different perspective is, I don't know if entertaining is the word I want to use, but Yeah. I'm wearing black. I'm wearing black. After I did my color analysis last month, I found out black is technically my worst color. You know,
if you feel good, you look good.
and I feel good in this dress. Should I do my Vivian pearl earrings? Or should I do these chunkier silver ones? No, definitely the pearls. Oh, this was the scent that I got from Diptyque. I was talking about it a few vlogs ago. For 2025, I wanted a new signature scent. I've never had a signature perfume or fragrance, but this year I really wanted to find one. My stepmom actually recommended I check them out because she's very into art. She told me that she really likes this brand. When we were in the store, I was just, oh my god. The artworks that they have on the back of each bottle sticker. I like that's not overpowering because I get sensitive to scents. This is just, all I can do is sigh. That noise is how I feel.